Wondering how to clean your air fryer basket? Well, in this video, I give you the step-by-step tip on cleaning that icky grime off your air fryer basket, and it uses pantry-friendly items you never thought would do it. Coming up. Hey gang, I'm Shelly. I'm a keto and anti-inflammatory dietitian, clinic owner, busy mom of two, and penny pincher, and I'm super passionate about bringing you the real-world keto, low-carb, and anti-inflammatory lifestyle to busy individuals like yourself without busting your budget, waistline, or time while keeping your family happy and healthy. And in this channel, we bring you the KLA Kitchen, the keto, low-carb, and anti-inflammatory kitchen, where we go over delicious recipes, product reviews, money-saving tips that will help you decrease your blood sugars, lose weight, balance your hormones, eliminate migraines and pain. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. Before we dive in on the tips of how to clean our air fryer, I want to give a huge thank you to my friends over at Swepco for sponsoring this video. It is no secret I love the air fryer. I love fried food, and the air fryer gives my food such an amazing crisp without heating up my kitchen, keeping my electric bill down. But sidebar, it's a little bit of a pain to clean. Let's first talk about what not to do. Harsh sponges, knives, forks. I know it's incredibly tempting, gang, to take a knife and to scrape inside our air fryer, but that is gonna break our nonstick seal, therefore causing our air fryer not to work. So don't do that. Don't let it soak. Okay, I'm totally guilty of this. I will put water in the air fryer or any kind of other dish that has some buildup. I will put it in the sink and maybe hope that a passerby in my family will look at it and wash it. First off, that never happens, so I need to quit dreaming. But the buildup just kind of turns into this icky peanut butter consistency that none of us like. It just doesn't pull it up. Now, here are 4 tips you can do. Number 4, baking soda. It's a favorite in our grandmother's kitchen. All we do is make a simple paste with baking soda of water and take our trusty toothbrush. Take your toothbrush, dip it in your solution, and scrub in the air fryer where you have the buildup. Rinse with soap and water, allow it to dry, and voila. Number 3, apple cider vinegar. Is there anything that apple cider vinegar can't do? Measure a cup of your apple cider vinegar, pour it into your air fryer. Now, if your basket sits a little higher, absolutely you can add a little bit more. Let it sit for 15 minutes, pour out your vinegar, wash with soap and water, dry, we're good to go. It's the acidic nature of our apple cider vinegar that really helps to pull up the gunk, just like it helps to pull up the gunk if there's maybe a sticker in your kitchen. Number 2, regular vinegar. Super important to note, gang, because a lot of us will say, well, I don't have apple cider vinegar. Can I do regular vinegar? The answer is yes, but with this recipe, and that is a cup of regular vinegar, a cup of water, because the vinegar itself is too acidic and too harsh on our air fryer. Same as the apple cider vinegar, let it sit for 15 minutes, pour it out, get your soap water, get your toothbrush, you're good to go. And number 1, gang, invest in these air fryer liners. These literally changed my life. I use my air fryer all the time. So it was getting to be a pain in the butt to clean. I purchased these. You just lay them in your air fryer. It helps to absorb some of that gunk so we don't have it build up. Such an amazing investment. I have the link in the description box below. Super cheap, super affordable. Buy these now. Now, our question of the day is, do you have any other tips on cleaning the air fryer? Share it in my comment section below. And because you watched this video, I know that you want some new air fryer recipes. So go ahead and click the link. It's somewhere around here so you can see my entire collection of air fryer goodies. I'm Shelly, gang, and I wish you blah. I'm Shelly in the KLA Kitchen. Have an amazing day, friends.